I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you.
Hey gorgeous, I'm Black. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing another hair review from ULARHAIR. So here is the bag. So everything is inside of it. So we're going to start with the thank you note. So it also has a refund policy and barcode to scan for social media and all of that. So I also have this card here, which also have all the declaration, the hair bundle textures, the lace types, just in case you're confused and you don't know what to get. Then it also has the do's and don'ts, how to maintain the hair. So if you want to wash the hair and you don't know how to do that and you want to do it yourself, it has everything written down on the card. Then I also have the wig cap and a pair of eyelash and also the melt band. So right here I have the closure. It's a body wave closure in 16 inches. It's a 2x6 actually. So you see all them Kim K or the deep parts. This is the kind of closure you use to achieve all of that. And you guys, the most interesting part is this hair is actually HD. So moving on to the bundles. So here I have 3 bundles. It's a Brazilian human hair body wave bundles. So they sent me in 18 inches, 20 inches, and 22 inches. And this, like I said earlier, it came with a 2x6 closure in 16 inches. Now the body. Next up in the bag is this customized ULARHAIR rat tail comb. You guys know how much I am obsessed with a rat tail comb, especially the type with this metal tip. So moving on to prep before we start installing, we're going to use my hot comb and then tame the hair backward, and then we're going to mix a bleach powder and developer and then bleach the knot. So I like to bleach the knot because it gives a very realistic illusion after an installation. So we're going to leave this to sit for at least 20 minutes and then wash it up. So now we're going to apply the Mamiya Organics leave-in conditioner on the hair just to make it soft. So I'm one of those people who like to prep the natural hair before I put weave on it, because I mean, if the hair is not well taken care of, you won't have the hair to even do a sewing on. So always remember to prep the hair first before you do an installation. So I'm going to go in with cornrows now. I have a very detailed video on how to do cornrows, which I'm going to leave up there, so you guys go watch that video and learn how to do cornrows. So you guys, this is what the hair looks like. So you guys, we are going to start installing the hair. So first I'm going to take the longer bundles in 22 inches. Then I'm going to fold them into 2 just to give the back the weight I want. So I'm going to prick the weft just as seen in the video, and then I'm going to tie it, then start sewing in the tracks. So when I'm sewing in the tracks for this part, or for any part I feel the needle will prick my client, I'm going to turn to the eye of the needle, that area, to use to like stitch down. So when I want to turn, because I usually don't like to cut my tracks, I'm going to turn it over and then stitch it. So I like to go like maybe 2 to 3 times on that part before I continue sewing. So you guys just watch me sew it. I like to do half an inch or sometimes an inch, like the spacing between each track. So usually I like to sew in the closure first, but because my model was really hot, I don't know what was wrong with the facility power, so it kept going off and on. So I decided to sew in the tracks first before putting my closure. So now it's time to put the closure. So I am going to prep the skin. Yes, you heard me. So I'm going to do like balding first with the wig cap they sent. So I am using the butterfly shadow spray to tame her edges. So the reason is because I don't want the glue to mess up her hairline. So I'm going to use my dryer, and then after that I'm going to get the wig cap and just wear it over it, and then get the spray and spray a little on it and then dry. So I'm going to also stitch the wig cap down so it doesn't move. So to prep the skin, all you'll be needing is a wipe and a skin protectant. So we're going to clean out the skin first, just to remove all the residue, the dirt and all of that. Then so afterwards, I'm going to use the skin protectant spray, and then I'm going to stitch the closure on both sides, and then I'm going to get the Hair by Any glue and then apply a little on the area I want to glue down. So but before that, I'm going to mark it using a powder and a brush. If you're still watching this video up until now and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join this amazing family. I have a lot of amazing videos ranging from lifestyle to tutorials. So subscribe so you don't miss out on any video.
I've never been so loud before. Just trying to make you understand my eyes and hands, but you don't even hear my call. And you make me wonder who I am. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Say you want me mad. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies.
So once my glue clears, I'm going to carefully pat down the lace on the glue, and then I'm going to get the ULARHAIR melt band and then tie it.
I'm still waiting for you to say it, say it. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Oh, say you want me back.
So as soon as I tie, I'm going to hot comb. So this is supposed to stay on for the period of time I'm going to be using my hot comb on the hair. So why I'm actually using the hot comb, so it can, make that part really flat, because remember, the idea is for it to look like it's a hair. So even if it's a closure or a frontal, I like to give that lifelike illusion when I do my installation. So we're going to take it step by step, or rather line by line, so that that place can be as flat as possible.
I see that you're hurting. I see that you're down. I see how every dream return came back to call you out. Was ready to rumble, was ready to fight. Got lost in the thunder, without alibis. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. I'll be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Now the pages are turning under the clouds. Got used to the hiding, now you're feeding the doubt. Let me show you the silver lining, how to tame them and then to ride them. Cause you weren't meant to be caught counting days, that's not your place. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there.
So you guys, I went on to curl the hair. So I have a very detailed video on how to curl a hair, which I'm going to leave up there so you guys can go watch it and learn my very easy and last longing curling technique. So you guys, you can see the hair is already looking beautiful. Like the Gen Zs would say, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I also have a discount code if you'd like to order from them. You can use my discount code LOFO, as in LOFO, when you want to make an order. And trust me, you guys, you're getting the best. Just so you know, you're going to be saving a whooping sum of $15. And for that amount, you're going to get this exact hair, same volume, same texture, and all the packages in the kit. And also, if you decide to sew it as a wig and wear it, you have every right to do that. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and also give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be the first to know whenever I post a video. So you guys, order from ULAHAIR, and don't forget to use my discount code LOFO, as in LOFO, to order yours. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.